About to be a rat from our fucking wishbone.
Go ahead, bitch.
We'll take a video too. Look at him.
They're like, how do we go in there?
Yeah, scoop up. Watch out. Everyone be stand by.
Let him get it though.
He's like, everyone on standby, real quick. Standby. Watch out.
I saw you right there.
Sure, take it. Take it while it's hot.
Fucking hit him with it.
This ain't no drive-through. Come on.
Look at him standing up. And shit.
He's not making everybody go.
Oh, he's like, everybody walk away.
But he's not even gonna get close.
You gotta kick it closer. Just a little closer.
You get a little bit, like another line, a little bit more. A little more than that.
I go talk to my uncle. Jaime, he wants to do something. Because he never, ever, like, it's rare when he's like, let's do something.
Oh, look at him.
Come on, pussy. Get over here and get this
He's not
shit.
doing that one over there.
Look at him. He's about to go in. She's about to go in for it. Nah, let her go. Fool, fuck it. Let him fight.
No, push it more towards the line.
That's too much. That's too much. Mikey, that's too much.
No, you can peg him right when he gets there.
With what?
With the fucking, I don't know, a rock. Give him some.
Is there anything in there, Daniel? I can hit him with
That.
Get him, get him, get him, get him. Yeah.
Hey!
God damn it. I'm sorry you got that on camera.
Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him.
Uh-oh, it's coming back.
It was a piece of shit. Hey, 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 hey. Watch yourself, boy. Watch yourself, boy.